Do I have a right to simply not cooperate with the police? In this video, I will answer this commonly asked question.
Christian attorney Ariel Johnson, lawfullife.us. If you're new to this channel, my aim is to make the law accessible to real people. So if you like the content, please be sure to subscribe and to click the notification bell so that you will not miss any new content. Can I refuse to cooperate with the police? While you can always try to stand forcefully on your rights, the best answer is no. You cannot refuse to cooperate. You are required under certain circumstances to cooperate with law enforcement in answering questions concerning your identity if you're stopped and told to identify yourself. But having provided this identifying information, you are not then required to answer any other questions. You're also required to cooperate if you're pulled over for a traffic violation. An officer having pulled you over can require you to show your license, vehicle registration, and proof of insurance. Further, if you're a non-U.S. citizen and you are asked by an immigration agent to show your immigration papers, you must show them if you have them with you. It's also a good idea for non-citizen visa holders to cooperate with the Border Patrol because the Border Patrol has the authority to deny your entry into the United States if you refuse to answer their questions. And if you're denied entry by the Border Patrol when trying to enter the United States, that denial carries with it a 5-year bar through entering the United States. Additionally, you must cooperate with a Terry stop. That is, the police may stop a person on the street and frisk him or her without probable cause to arrest if the police officer has a reasonable suspicion that the person is committing or is about to commit a crime, or the officer has a reasonable belief that the person may be armed and presently dangerous. Again, if stopped on the street, it's impossible for you to know whether the officer has a reasonable suspicion or not. So the thing to do is to cooperate, remember your rights, and pay careful attention to everything that's said or done. Later, you can sort out whether or not the stop was conducted for an improper purpose. Finally, unless you have a good reason for not doing so, you should cooperate with the police, who are, far more often than not, responding to another citizen's complaint or simply trying to protect the public in general. As such, helping a police officer gather information is crucially important to the safety of our communities. And I would add to that, standing too forcefully on your rights has all too often led to situations that quickly escalate out of control, leading to unnecessary arrests, injuries, and loss of life. Thank you for watching. If you find this content useful, please let me know what you think in the comments section, and let me know if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming content. By the way, if you're looking for legal content that's accessible to real people, be sure to join us online at lawfullife.us, where we profess the truth that without God we can do nothing.